Hello, my name is Kim. I would like to show you how to create an allotment booking. In the menu, you click on allotment. Here you have a lot of different filters to search for your allotment. You can also just click on search and get all allotments available. Find the allotment that you want to book on. And here you find the specific day that you want to create the booking for. Click on New Booking. You will be directed to step 1 in the booking flow, where you need to fill in all the information on the booking. Assign an allotment number. Here in the origin and destination, only the origin and destination applicable for the allotment is available. You can click here and you can see I only have Copenhagen and Newark as options. Fill in the remaining details of the booking. Pieces, weight and volume. Dimensions if applicable. If you have any special handling codes that you need to add, you add them here. Go to the bottom and click on Find Offers. Here you see the allotment that I selected previously. And here you click on Select to select the allotment to continue the booking flow. On the step 3, you add other details if needed, or you click Continue. Step 4 is the summary of the booking. You click on Confirm to confirm the booking. And now your booking is confirmed. You can also create an allotment booking from the normal booking flow. From the normal booking flow, enter origin destination, pieces, weight and volume. Here you select the product for allotment and click on Show Offers. And in step 2, you select the allotment for the specific day you want to book on and select the allotment product. Fill in the details, assign an allotment number or take it from your stock. Enter remarks if needed. Click on Continue. Here you have a summary of the booking details. Here you confirm the booking and terms and conditions. And your booking is now confirmed. And this is how you create an allotment booking.